It likes cheese, nuts, fruits, and berries. It also comes out into open fields to steal food from stupid travelers.
The rainforest biome has many animals. They all call it home, so let's name them all.
Elephant, anteater, capuchin, monkey, vicuna, wolf, rubber eel, fruit bat, okapi, tree frog, jaguar, milk snake, dragonfly, piranha, tarantula, possum, butterfly.
Mammals, birds, and amphibians. Rainforests. I'll search across the land, the water and sky to find the rainforest animals that live inside.
Army ant, ocelot, pancake, stingray, iguana, gorilla, woodpecker, margay, spider, monkey, python, toucan, tapir, kinkajou, red deer, crocodile, tiger.
Mammals, birds, and amphibians. Animals of the rainforest.
Hummingbird, sloth, newt, lemur, tamarin, bald eagle, gecko, leopard, mandrill, puma, orangutan, hawk, buffalo, golden toad, armadillo, fox.
Lots of animals, lots of animals. Lots of animals, lots of animals. Animals of the rainforest.
Mountain lion, matamata, chimpanzee, earthworm, flying squirrel, gibbon, monkey, quetzal, birdwing, katydid, mongoose, cassowary, river dolphin, sun bear, pararaku.
There's over 10 million species known to man. We're gonna name a few more so that you'll understand.
Glass frog, flycatcher, warbler, caveman, harlequin, leafcutter, vireo, mantid, white bat, mosquito, peccary, rhinoceros, otter, umbrella bird, zebra, loris.
Mammals, birds, and amphibians. Ooh, animals of the rainforest. Insects, plants, and crustaceans. Ooh, animals of the rainforest. Mammals, birds, and amphibians. Animals of the rainforest. It's so heavy.